it's Missa from Story Factory. Does anyone else here struggle with writing poetry? Anyone? Any takers? Well, today I'm going to show you a trick I use whenever I get stuck. I realize sometimes all it takes is asking yourself some questions and giving yourself some really interesting answers. So for this activity, you're going to need a paper and a pen, so go grab one. As we write, we're going to leave a line between every answer so we can add our little trick in at the end. The first question is, what is your favorite time to wake up in the morning? As much as I love to sleep in, I'm going to say 8 a.m. as it's not too early and it's not too late. Write that down and leave a line. The next question is, what is your favorite food to eat during the day? Waking up to fried eggs and a hot cup of tea. Great. The next question is, what is your favorite way to procrastinate? The list is absolutely endless, but aggressively watching YouTube videos until I fall asleep. Guilty. Alright, who do you speak to the most? Messaging friends that I can have uplifting conversations with. And the last question is, what is your favorite piece of clothing to wear at home? Now, people like wearing PJs at home, but I like to dress up. So I'm going to say some colorful, funky earrings and a flowy white dress. Perfect. Now that I have all my answers, I'm going to add my special little trick, which is my day is in front of all of them. So let's see how it turned out. My day is 8 a.m. as it's not too early and not too late. My day is waking up to fried eggs and a hot cup of tea. My day is aggressively watching YouTube videos until I fall asleep. My day is messaging friends that I can have uplifting conversations with. My day is a flowy white dress with some colorful, funky earrings. There you have it. The key is to add as much as detail as possible and go back and edit if you don't like a few lines. So just by answering some questions, you've written a really cool and personal poem. I can't wait to read them, so post yours and tag @Story Factory Publishing. If you want to do more activities like this, join our workshops or feel free to DM us. Until next time, see ya!